Wow, so good. We are going to make my Mexican friends' family black bean recipe, and they are the best black beans I've ever had. And I live in Southern California here, where there is amazing Mexican food, so that's saying a lot. All we're gonna need today are some dried black beans. See if there are any rocks in here. I have never found a rock. Oh, was that a rock? Our beans are rinsed. Our machine of choice today. It's the easiest thing to use. Please start using it. Get it out of your garage, get it out of your storage, use it. So here's our pot. We wanna make sure that we keep this thing really, really dry, okay? We do not want water in this part. Beans in, and then we're gonna fill it up with water. You can go ahead and measure how much water you put in here, but I'm just gonna make sure I've got 2 inches of water above my beans. You'll see there's a lot of water in here because, and it kind of goes to this line right here. Just gonna give it one last little wipe down. My friend's recipe only calls for a little bit of onion. However, I like to add in whatever I have in the fridge. So I just happen to have this leftover onion. Oh my. Then I've got this little bit of extra garlic, a little bit of jalapeno. We've got our Instant Pot, our beans are in here. Plug it in. And then this pressure stuff you want on the back. So we're just gonna tilt it a little bit till it goes in. These handles have to line up. It's closed. And then I want it to pressure cook for about 30 minutes. There's a low setting, there's a high setting. It's always on the high setting. Press start. So we are at 1 minute left. At this point, we're gonna do nothing. So once that 1 minute is done, it's going to beep, beep, beep. And then we're just gonna let it sit. So just continue doing what you're doing, all right? Wow, lots of beeping. At this point, I would leave it for about 10 minutes before I try to open the lid. If you find that the lid just won't budge and it's really tight, then it just means that there's too much pressure in this little guy and it needs more time. Wait another 10 minutes. And then we're gonna set that right there. And it is a holder, yay! Wow, these beans look good. Yes, this is how I like it. Cooked to perfection. So good. Not sponsored. However, there's a company called Don Chilio. This is the greatest chili oil I've ever had in my life. When you smell that, you're gonna go cuckoo. And it's gonna make these an 11 out of 10.